Hello, Colin. Thank you to be here. Could you just show us the new Suzy and Suzy Pre?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for the welcome. So Suzy comprises of a couple of components. First off, you have Suzy Power, which is the amplifier, which uses our Ultima amplifier technology found in many of the top recording studios around the world. So this is how you buy the Suzy Power. This is a blanking plate. You remove the blanking plate like so. And let's say you're an analog customer. You want a turntable. We have Suzy Pre. Now you can use this on its own as a standalone preamp with a headphone output, phono stage, a couple of extra inputs, maybe run this into a pair of active speakers. You remove the headphone piece like so, and then you'll see the two RCAs will connect straight into. You now have a small footprint, very high performing analog integrated amplifier, turntable, plug a DAC into it, extra sources, remote control, etc. Now, a lot of people are using single source. Like myself, I'm purely digital, so we remove that. Most people will be familiar with our Hugo 2 DAC, which is used in a lot of studios again for final mastering. Attached to Hugo 2 is the To Go, which is our streaming UPnP DLNA Rune endpoint, which incorporates the ability to run a couple of 1 terabyte SD cards. This would plug in like so. We have a handy feature. This is a charging bridge. So that connects like so. And then you have a streaming integrated amplifier using Ultima Technology amp, our FPGA technology DAC. If you're not into streaming and you use a PC or a tablet as source, we have this device here called the multiplexer. And this just sits where the To Go would sit, and it enables you to have a couple of USB inputs. And then to play the music through Hugo 2 and into Suzy, very simple. I press play. If I turn it on. Professional at heart.